This is the design of America's best-selling newcomer, the new 1975 Ford Granada. Ford designed Granada to combine an efficient use of space, fuel, and money. It's a trim, solid car, about the size of a Mercedes-Benz 280, and gets 16 to 19 miles per gallon in city driving, 22 to 27 on the highway with its standard 200 cubic inch 6. And Ford didn't abandon function for styling, even in this elegant two-door model. Door openings are as wide as some of the biggest cars in America. Even rear seat entry is easy. You get headroom that's close to standard size cars, efficiently laid out controls, and a trunk that holds 8 pieces of luggage. Sticker price $36.98, excluding taxes, title, delivery, and dealer prep. There's also a handsome four-door Granada for $37.56.
The closer you look, the better we look. See for yourself at your local Ford dealer.
My Cadillac Seville, please.
Ford Granada, please.
I think this is my Cadillac.
My Granada.
Don't you know your own car? This is our car. Somebody put a poodle in our Cadillac.
A Ford Granada is obviously not a Cadillac Seville, but some people have noticed the styling resemblance.
You move those Cadillacs, please? This is my Ford Granada. Sticker price like your VW Rabbit. Ford Granada looks like his Cadillac price like my Rabbit.
Ford Granada at your local Ford dealer. How do you like your new Ford Granada?
It drives beautifully. I was stopped at a traffic light, and this little Volkswagen came in, and it looked like he was coming right on to me. And then he pulled over beside me, rolled down his window, and went. And then I was happy. How could you get mad at that?
Want value? See Ford Granada, outselling all other 1975 newcomers combined. At your local Ford dealer. Look close and compare. From the very first Model T, it seems whenever America has needed a new kind of car, there's been a new kind of Ford. Last year, it was the trend-setting Mustang II. And this year, it's Granada, America's best-selling newcomer, the 1975 Ford Granada, designed to combine an efficient use of space, fuel, and money. Granada gets 16 to 19 miles per gallon in city driving, 22 to 27 on the highway with its standard 200 cubic inch 6. Yet it's solid, virtually the same size and weight as the Mercedes-Benz 280. Granada's four-door sticker price is just $37.56, excluding taxes, title, delivery, and dealer prep. The two-door is even lower, $36.98. See the elegant new Granada, America's best-selling newcomer. The closer you look, the better we look. See for yourself at your local Ford dealer.
What looks like the newest Cadillac and is priced like the newest Volkswagen? Ford's Granada, shown here with the $12,479 Cadillac Seville. While Granada's style and shape are close to the Cadillac, its base sticker price, $37.56, is close to the $3,800 Volkswagen Rabbit. Prices exclude title, taxes, delivery, dealer prep extra on Granada and VW. Ford Granada looks like the Cadillac, priced like the Volkswagen, and available only at your Ford dealer.
How do you like your new Ford Granada?
When I first brought the Granada home, the neighbors in the neighborhood, of course, came over. The neighbor across the street looked out and said, "Oh ho, he's bought him a new Mercedes. Where'd he get all that money?"
Ford Granada base sticker price $36.98, excluding taxes, title, delivery, and dealer prep. Want value? See Ford Granada, outselling all other 1975 newcomers combined. At your Ford dealer. Look close and compare.
It's a pleasure to drive.
Road Test, the magazine devoted to testing cars, has awarded its prestigious Car of the Year award to Ford's Granada. The third year in a row, a Ford car has been named Road Test's Car of the Year. What's more, Motor Trend has named Ford Granada Value Car of the Year. But it's not just engineering editors singling out these cars. Today, more people are buying Granadas than all other 75 newcomers combined. And this year, Ford has increased its share of market more than any other U.S. car maker. Ford means value, and your local Ford dealer can show you. Look close and compare.